And I'm actually going to get right into it. And you really want to know how. How can I blaze my own path? How can I be successful? How can I follow the path that someone else has laid for me to be successful?
You can now get the link to my new ebook. It's available in the bio. It goes over the 6 steps you need to create a successful vending machine business. Check it out. Thank you. Welcome back to my channel, The Vending Biz. So, I've been getting a lot of inquiries about exactly how you make your money in the vending business, so I'm just going to talk about that today. The main way you make your money is off of the products that you sell. So once you have a machine placed, then what you have to do is go purchase your products that you actually put in the machine, and once those products sell, that's when the bulk of your money will come from. So that's your consistent funds. That's your bulk of your money that you're going to count on a monthly basis. If that's when you pick up your money. But there are other ways you earn an income with the business. One being renting machines. So you can also rent machines out. Once you have machines in your inventory, you have storage, you got machines sitting around you're not using, you can rent those out to people who want to use machines. And that's, you just charge them a monthly fee, come up with a contract for them that you guys can go by with the proper terms on it. And that's another passive income for you. After that, it's more you could do, like you can actually sell machines themselves. You can sell the machines to them. That's people often when they want to get into the business, or they're looking to expand on that business, they want to buy machines. So if you have extra machines, you can also sell them. You actually buy, look around online, buy machines at a low cost, and just flip them, sell them at a higher cost than you bought them for. You also have you can sell your services, such as after you become a seasoned vending operator, you learn the skill of finding locations. So for someone who's just getting into the business and they want to get a location, you can also sell them a location if that's something you wish to do. There's also things such as selling routes. If you have a route that's slower than one of your other routes, so in the business you might have multiple routes. Say if you want to make a bulk of money, you can sell one of your smaller routes off. So these machines are assets. So once you get to the point where you're comfortable and you can afford to actually sell off a piece of your business, you can make a bulk of money that way and still keep the main part of it intact. If you don't want to sell off a whole route, you can sell off one location. So you can sell this one spot, maybe 2 spots, if that's something you're looking to do, if you need quick money. And then that's also a great form of income. Some people buy routes. I know, like myself and some of the people I do business with, will buy routes out just so we can keep the good locations and then sell off the rest of them. I myself have actually brought a route not too long ago, or I believe it was $3,500. I brought a whole route. It came with 6 machines. I want to say someone who just wanted to get out of the business. They weren't having too much success with it. They didn't, we didn't really know what they were doing, so they just wanted out. I brought the route out for really, very, very low, $3,500. 6 machines. I kept one location. So the other 2 spots for when I say 2 spots, 2 locations, for $3,500 a piece, it made $7,000 off of that deal, and plus kept the best location that came with that package. So that's also another way to make good money. But selling those locations takes a little more time. The other things are a little quicker. But yeah, that's the main ways that you can make your income off the business. Though there's definitely a lot of different ways to make money with the business. So you just have to keep your mind open and just look out for opportunities, and and they'll present themselves as you go along, as you grow, and as you get better at doing what you do. Thank you. Hopefully this video was helpful.
All money in, it's just us 4. It's just copy, it's just hobby, it's just rep raw.